Ready to learn from one of the greatest investors of all time? Join me as we delve into Warren Buffett's timeless wisdom and discover the key principles he advocates for successful investing in 2024 and beyond. Hello, fellow investors and financial enthusiasts. Warren Buffett, the Oracle of Omaha, has long been revered for his unparalleled success in the world of investing. Today, we're diving into his sage advice to uncover the strategies and mindset needed to thrive in the ever-changing landscape of the stock market. Let's dive in. First and foremost, Warren Buffett emphasizes the importance of adopting a long-term perspective when it comes to investing. By focusing on the intrinsic value of companies and their potential for growth over time, rather than trying to time the market, investors can capitalize on the wealth-building opportunities that arise from patient, long-term investing. Another cornerstone of Warren Buffett's investment philosophy is value investing. By buying great companies at attractive prices and holding them for the long haul, investors can build wealth steadily and mitigate downside risks. Warren Buffett famously advises investors to stay within their circle of competence. By sticking to areas where you have expertise and avoiding investments that are outside your circle of competence, you can make more informed decisions and avoid costly mistakes. Buffett also emphasizes the importance of keeping cash reserves on hand for opportunistic investing. By having cash readily available during market downturns, investors can capitalize on buying opportunities and position themselves for long-term gains. Last but not least, Warren Buffett is a strong advocate for continuous learning. By dedicating time to expand your knowledge and sharpen your investment skills, you can make better decisions, adapt to changing market conditions, and achieve greater success as an investor. In conclusion, Warren Buffett's timeless advice for investors in 2024 serves as a guiding light for navigating the complexities of the stock market. Whether it's adopting a long-term perspective, embracing value investing, staying within your circle of competence, keeping cash reserves, or committing to continuous learning, Buffett's wisdom offers valuable insights for investors of all levels. So let's heed his advice and strive for investment success in 2024 and beyond. Thanks for joining me on this journey through Warren Buffett's advice for investors in 2024. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe for more insights and inspiration on investing and financial empowerment. Until next time, happy investing.